Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this LA Colors Lip Contour Fuller Looking Enhanced Lips. And this is like a lip liner duo, it looks like. This is one of the products that I got in my recent Family Dollar haul. So this cost $2. I got it in the shade Naked. It says it's a new product and it reminds me so much of the LA Colors. It was like the Lip Duo Contour. Very similar name, very similar product, but it was a double-sided chubby pencil, and I would find that at the Dollar Tree, and I have it in a bunch of colors and it is so fun. And I'm thinking this is maybe an updated version to that because this one doesn't have the sharpener attached at the end. Maybe this is a twist up style. Oh yeah, duo lip liner and lip color. But I love LA Colors and I love lip liners, so I'm so excited to see how this is going to be. So there is a thin liner tip and a thick fill-in tip. So here is, yep, it is a twist up. Here is the thin liner side. Actually, why don't I do a swatch? Ooh, very nice. Like a brick red kind of shade. And then the thick fill-in tip. So this is more rounded. Oh, and the whole thing just fell out. Okay, gonna have to be a little careful there. But that is slightly lighter and a little bit more pink, but they're very similar shades, but different enough that it will create a nice balanced contour look to the lips. And they also seem like slightly different textures. So you've got like the pencil thin liner and then more of a creamy fill-in lipstick formula. All right, so I'm gonna start out with the thin side and line my entire lips. It really is very thin and precise. Okay, my lips are lined. I did slightly more shading in the outer corners for hopefully a little bit of an ombre effect to create a little bit more of an illusion of fuller lips. But now I'm gonna switch it around. I love a two-in-one product like this. And carefully, since we know that this lipstick likes to fall out, I am going to just fill in my lips here. This is turning into a bit of a product fail. Hopefully I just got a bad one and they're not all this bad of a packaging broken formula. But now seeing this on my lips with my lips filled in, the lipstick shade looks almost exactly the same as the lip liner. I would have liked this to be a little different, a little lighter, so then I could create an ombre effect or just see a little bit more of that contour. It's more of a matte finish. It's not my favorite shade on me. A little dark, a little bold. It's also not super moisturizing, and it doesn't look completely smooth on my dry lips. It leaves a little texture. You can see the lines in my lips. I'm curious how much transfer there is. That's not that bad. That's very light transfer. Still pretty intact on my lips, but I just do not love how it looks. And it looks uneven, even though I lined my lips. But it was so hard to use that lipstick since it kept falling out. I'm not loving the color. I'm not loving how my lips are looking moisturized and texture-wise. I'm just not happy with this. The packaging too was a failure. So I definitely think there are better LA Colors lip products out there. I mean, the lip liner was good. I definitely don't think you need to spend a lot of money on lip liners, but the lipstick itself was the real failure of this because I don't love the color or the packaging or the formula, but the lip liner itself I would continue using. But I have to say, if you're contemplating picking this up from Family Dollar, I would say pass, save your money on it. But if you have tried this out, maybe you've tried it out in different shades, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And let me know if your packaging was broken as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.